Good morning.
Why yo? I am here.
I'm sorry. That is not the appropriate way to enter this room. Would you like to try again, or would you like to see a demonstration?
Ha. What do you mean?
Students are to enter the room quietly and politely, without doing anything to distract anyone else. Would you like to try again?
Okay. Good morning.
Good morning. That was much better. Thank you. Please remind me of your name. I know you have been here before, but I can't remember your name.
Jeff Davis.
Oh, yes. Jeff. Please have a seat in the second row, Jeff, and complete this green packet. If you have any questions or need help, just raise your hand.
Okay.
Do you have something to write with? Do you need anything?
I have a pen.
Good. I want you to take your time on that packet. Think about the questions and write the best answers you can. I'll be right over here if you need anything. Just raise your hand.
Okay. What will I do when I finish this?
Well, Jeff, when you finish the packet I will give you the work from your school. You can choose which assignment to complete first.